today, marking World Suicide Prevention Day. The World Health Organization says 800,000 people take their lives worldwide every year, and suicide is reported to be the second leading cause of death among 15 to 29-year-olds. Next, we get to speak to a suicide survivor turned counsellor, Khululeko Khani from the Mkazi Bulali Depression Support Group is with us. Very warm welcome to you. I want to ask you firstly whether you're comfortable in sharing your suicide story. My understanding is that you twice attempted to take your life.
Just to have you and to have me, Jeremy, and all the viewers at home. Firstly, I'd like to have my condolences to the family of the late Dr. Nyosi, she passed on in Cape Town, and to all the victims that died because of depression and suicide. My story, I'm an ambassador international for suicide prevention to people, and I'm a counselor as well. Personally, my story was I was going through death, and I lost my parents in a very short space of time. After the loss of my parents, I lost my other brother, and I was going through death because of the pyramid scheme. And remember, Jeremy, in our culture, let me not say in a black society, but in our culture, we are told that the men, I always advise